Hi everybody, and welcome to Module 8 on the first part of Dynamics. I thought I'd quickly show you how to set up a pivot table. So we have here our experiment for our simple birth rates. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to highlight all of our data in the table output. So once we have all of the data marked here, then we're going to insert a pivot table. And just because I can, I'm going to put the table right next to where I am. I have to tell Microsoft Excel where to start putting the pivot table. Why don't I put it here? And then I hit OK. So, and now I get my pivot table. I get my pivot table analysis. So let me put this up here. So what you're seeing here is the fields in the pivot table. So here I'm interested in my carrying capacity. So I'm going to select that. And I'm interested in my blue fertility, obviously. I want to put that into rows. So I'm just going to put that here. And then I'm interested in, I'm going to put the carrying capacity in the columns here. So you're seeing the 500, 1000, and 1500 here. And then I'm going to put my ticks right down here. So now I have my ticks, but we really want two values for our ticks. We want the average and the standard deviation. So I'm going to pull my ticks down again here, and now I'm going to set them to average and to standard deviation. To do that, I expand with this little triangle here, and I'm going to go to value field settings. My first one I'm going to set to average, which is the average of ticks. And the second one, I click on value field settings again. And I'm going to set that one to standard deviation right here. So that gives me the standard deviation. So here we're seeing now the table with the total average, total standard deviation, and it says ticks 2. That's just because I have the second instance of the same column pulled down. And that is the quick pivot table for our example on the behavior space results for the simple birth rates net logo model.